Oh, hi my lovelies. Thank you for being here. My name is Jen and welcome to me and Bella's Kitchen. I love to teach cooking classes, but today we are going to bake. We are going to make banana bread. This is my husband's favorite bread and he always takes it to work and he gives some to his co-workers and they enjoy it. So I'd like to share this recipe with you because this is a really nice moist banana bread. So let's go ahead and bake our banana bread. Let's start by creaming the sugar and the butter and make sure that the butter is soft. Then beat the eggs and add them to the mixture and continue stirring until everything's combined. Now you're going to add the milk or heavy cream and then you're going to continue stirring and also add some vanilla for flavorings. Then mash your banana, and once the banana is completely mashed, then add it to the mixture and stir until well combined. And then to this, we are going to add our dry ingredients, the flour and the baking powder. Now use your spatula and gently kind of mix everything together and then fold in your walnuts and your raisins. Now you're ready to pour everything into your greased loaf pan and then bake it for about 45 to 50 minutes or until the toothpick inserted comes out clean. All right, let's go ahead and try our banana bread. It is so moist. I love that crunch from walnut and I love the combination of that raisins and with that banana. It really makes the flavor stands out and it's very simple. The only thing you need to really some elbow greasing is mashing your bananas and that's it, you know. So my lovelies, try and make this and let me know what you think, and if you have family and friends that need help with home cooking, please share this video. Thank you again for being here. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.